I'll clear the 100. Alright, we just hit a bonus on Tiki. Let's see what we get. We already got the mini, which is $10. Another mini. We need a big ball. Big ball. I see the 100. Come on, save it. Come on, save it. Nice, another mini.
Another mini is fun.
Come on. Save it.
I'm trying.
Save it. Nice. Oh, I saw the major. I saw the major.
These girls are the mini.
Yeah.
Oh, another mini.
Come on. Nice. Give us the grand sweat. Oh my god, give us the grand sweat.
Is it showing?
No, I don't think so. Don't worry, it's gonna pop up. Don't worry. Grand jackpot. It's just gonna pop up. Don't worry.
It's in a fan.
Dang. Hey, not bad.